Hello, my name is Chef Santi, and today we'll be making a lemon raspberry cake. And I'm picking this because it sounds a little more complicated from the cookies. So let's start baking. We're gonna put this butter, this room temperature butter, and this sugar in this bowl.
Go ahead and put the sugar, yep.
And we're gonna soften it with our hand mixer. It said with the stand mixer, but we don't have it. But if you do, get with the stand mixer.
So you'll cream it. So with the stand mixer, it'll take a couple minutes. With the hand mixer, it might take 4 or 5. We'll get over there in a second, right?
Yeah, we're creaming the butter with the sugar, and it'll take you like 4 or 3 minutes with a hand mixer. But with a stand mixer, it'll take you like less. This is tiring doing with a hand mixer, but we're gonna put eggs, sour cream, and vanilla extract. But my sous chef is gonna help me with the vanilla extract. Oh, this is so tiring. We made baking a cake flour.
How'd we do it?
We put flour and cornstarch, but now we're gonna put the baking powder.
How much is that?
Is 1 teaspoon.
Okay, great.
And a really small one.
That's a quarter of a teaspoon.
A quarter of a teaspoon of
Good
salt.
job.
And a quarter of a teaspoon of baking soda. Now we're over here, and I'm gonna pour this into here, to the big bowl. And now we're starting whisking. It'll take you 4 or 3 minutes.
No, this one just until it's just combined, right?
Yep. Now we're putting lemon zest, and it takes a lot of time to put the lemon zest in.
To make it, right?
To make it, and I'm gonna put it in. And we're also gonna put lemon juice. Let's pour it.
How much lemon juice was it? Do you remember?
A cup.
1/4 of a cup.
A 4th of a cup. 4th cup. Now we still have to whisk.
Mm-hmm.
Whisking's my jam. Now we're gonna put all of this
Cake batter.
Cake batter into here, and then we're gonna put all the raspberries in here. Then we're gonna make streusel.
What kind of a pan is this?
A spring
Form.
pan.
And inside of it, we have
Some butter, and then
parchment paper.
parchment paper.
Okay.
Now we're gonna invite my sister and my dad. When we put it in the ovens, both of them are gonna do a little dance for us while they're baking. And look at my sister eating those raspberries.
She couldn't wait for the dessert.
Yep. Now we're gonna put now we're gonna make the streusel.
That's like the crumb topping for the cake, right? So you put in what?
This
What is that?
sugar.
Okay, a cup of sugar. And before that you put in a cup of flour, right? Oh, it was a 1/2 cup of sugar and a cup of flour.
And do we put the butter in?
Uh-huh. That's your sister in the background. She's watching you be filmed. Mm-hmm. Chef Santi is not amused. And what's the final ingredient for the streusel?
Lemon zest.
A little 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest. Okay, so we're gonna mix that up and until it turns into like big
Crumbly
crumbles.
dough.
Okay.
We made the crumbly dough.
It's the streusel, right?
Streusel. With all the ingredients. With the hand mixer. And now we're gonna put put it on top of our cake.
Okay, you can go faster. You could pour it. Okay. What's going on?
I'm gonna put the cake in.
What's the temperature of this oven?
350.
Don't burn yourself. Good job.
And now it's ready to bake. And our little dance will be right now. Right in a little bit. It's gonna bake for an hour and I'm gonna be your music entertainer. Which I'm gonna make my own music. An hour is a long time, so I went to play in my room and I took off my chef clothes, and now it's time for a joke.
Let's see if Ava thinks it's funny.
Why did the skeleton burp? Oh, because it didn't have the guts to fart. And she thinks it's funny now. Now we're gonna open this belt, and it's gonna get it wide. There it is. Now look at this cake.
It looks great.
Now let's cut it.
Just cut a piece, babe. That's a big piece.
Now it's taste test time, and I'm getting crust and some raspberry, and I'll take some of this.
That's the streusel part, right?
This is the streusel.
Mm-hmm.
This lemon thing is so good. It's hot but delicious.
You recommend it?
Yeah.
What was it again?
Lemon raspberry cake. If it comes out good for you, then it comes out good for us.